It is always important that you know where the fire extinguishers are located in your building and that they're accessible. Now remember the acronym PASS, P-A-S-S. Pull the safety pin from the valve. Aim the hose or nozzle at the base of the fire. Squeeze the valve or trigger. Sweep the fire extinguisher from side to side. Pull, aim, squeeze, sweep. If you successfully extinguish the fire, be sure that it doesn't reignite. If not, safely exit the building and call 911. I hope this helps you understand the basics of fire extinguishers. If you need more information on fire extinguishers, need service, inspections, or you'd like to purchase new units, see the link in the description below to contact Fireguard. Thank you.